Welcome to our YouTube channel, All America Selections Flowers and Vegetables, and today I want to profile Bright Lights Swiss Chard. It was bred by Johnny Selected Seeds and it's a 1998 All America Selections winner. We'll get into the plant in a second, but this has been around for 20 years and you see this a lot at your local big box stores. I'd like to say when you buy an All America Selections winner, the proof is in the plant. And this plant has been showing it for the last 20 years. Some of you may not have tried yet Swiss Chard in your garden. I highly recommend it. This takes about 4 or 5 weeks to get to mature size for small salads, and in about 6 weeks, 7 weeks, 8 weeks to get to this larger size. But it will produce spring, summer, and fall. It can take a frost. And just look at all the beautiful colors. Well, let's start over here. Now it's October 6th over here, and this has been in the ground since really the beginning of May. It's absolutely beautiful. You're going to get colors of yellow, gold, pink, violet, orange, different stripe colors, white, red. There's the yellow, and I like to space it out a good amount, a good 12 inches or so, because it gets so large over the growing season, and you can see that leaves keep coming in. So one trick I like to do is leave some of the outer leaves. Let's see if there's any are getting chewed in here. Sometimes you'll get your chewing insects. Leave a couple of the big leaves on. They stay on the outside. The insects tend to go there, and you can come right into the inside. Pick the smaller leaves for your salad. The larger leaves are great in stir fries. And it's really, really prolific. I feed this about every 2 to 3 weeks with a light water-soluble fertilizer. But I highly recommend Bright Lights Swiss Chard for your garden. And you can just see the various plant sizes. And again, we're into the first week of October, and this plant is still producing all these new leaves coming up. The stems are great, chopped up too. I use them in soups and again in stir fries. But it's a great addition to your leafy greens garden for salads and everything like that. Absolutely beautiful. The 1998 All America Selection winner, Bright Light Swiss Chard. Please check out our YouTube channel. We don't run any ads. We just try and provide you with great gardening videos to help you in your gardens. Thanks for watching.